talking about
You're
trains.
excited. So let's see how much more excited. What is that you got there? Hang on.
It's a
Wow.
It's a choo-choo train.
It's a choo-choo train.
Yep. And this is from Bachmann Branchline.
Right.
I wish I could do it in Marlon's accent. It was a Bachmann. No? He did it the best. Bachmann Branchline. I don't know.
I sound English there.
Do I? I don't know. But anyway. You have a look at that, and I'm going to tell you a little bit what I know about it off the back of the box.
Yeah, now.
The LNER Class V2 steam locomotives
V2.
were designed by Sir Nigel Gresley for express mixed traffic and were built between 1936 and 1944.
I really like this.
So we'll call that pre-war, huh?
Pre-war?
The V2s were the only significant class 262. So you know what that is? 2 steering wheels and 6 bogie wheels and then 2 at the rear.
So 2 trailers?
Yeah, 2 trailers and then some in the tender box.
Right.
I'm not sure why they're not counted. Shouldn't it be like 2, 6, 2, 4?
Well, the 6 on this one. You got that one wrong.
Wait, what is it? I can't see because your big whopping hands in the way.
I don't know. You should ask Dave about that.
184 locomotives. Well, because you can't drive without the tinder box, can you? You'll be running out of fuel very quick.
But you could. Just got to carry a whole heap of it in your hands.
In your pocket.
Mm.
184 of those locomotives were built at Doncaster and Darlington Works. Construction continued throughout the Second World War as they proved their usefulness. The V2 was developed from the class A1, A3 Pacifics with smaller driving wheels and shortened boiler. Why would they shorten the boiler?
Give it a bit of turning circle.
During World War II, the V2 locomotives achieved fantastic performance of haulage. Trains over 20 carriages loaded to 700 tons proved within their abilities. Very cool. This is the most famous Green Arrow 4771. So, Green Arrow. There you go.
Well, I reckon we'll get in a bit tighter and we'll look at some of these details because there's some
Go in tight like it's. I like the colour. What do you call it?
What do you call it?
Green.
Brunswick green, isn't it?
I'm not sure. It's not very Brunswick.
Well, the Brunswick here isn't that green, is it?
No, not at all. More terracotta than. It is.
Look at the spokes and the wheels.
What were they made from?
Were
they been cast iron or they been timber?
I don't know.
No, it would have been cast iron for sure.
Are you sure?
I reckon.
What, not titanium?
Unobtainium back then.
Look at the valve gear.
I don't think they would have had much in the way of alloys.
Can you imagine how good this will look while it's running?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
And this is the DC.
That's one of the charming things about these trains, I reckon. The valve gear, watching that little spin around.
It's a DC locomotive, DCC ready.
It's DCC ready, okay.
Yeah, with a 21-pin chip.
Right, okay.
So you can put a 21-pin chip in there.
Yeah.
And go DCC, baby.
I mean, a lot of them are doing that now, and it makes it a lot easier to be able to just open it up and just drop in a particular chip and it's ready to go. Not like the old days. You used to see, like, John used to be here and he'll have his mega mag lights on.
Mega mag lights.
Yep. Just trying to solder on all these wires. But yeah, definitely much easier.
I love the coal in the tender box. It's great.
Yeah, they do a good job, don't they?
I still don't know how they do it.
Look at all those facets.
I just don't know how they do this on such a big scale.
Really nice.
All the pinstriping, all the bar work.
Can you see the seats in there? See the interior detail? That's about as far as I can take it. But yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
It is absolutely gorgeous. And that is a HO double scale. Well, 176.
That's it.
Yeah?
Yep.
All right. Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it?
I don't trust you with it.
You don't trust me?
Well, I don't trust myself with it, to be honest.
All right, you better grab that back there. What else have we got?
I'm going to put this out the way.